We've found an incredible strategy that no one else knows about, and where you can earn up to $200 to $3,000 without having any skills or experience. There are only a few people who know about this secret strategy, and they're making tons of money every single month, and today you're going to be one of them. You know that we're all about the free flowing life, so we made sure that this secret method is going to be the easiest way to make money that you've ever encountered in your whole life. We honestly think that you're not ready to hear this, but we just want to give it to you guys already so all of us can earn money and be successful. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Now we want you to go on moneypantry.com, and this is what you should see. Welcome to Money Pantry. Simple solutions to earn and save more money. Money Pantry is a personal finance blog with a focus on helping you earn and save more money. We scour the world to bring you extraordinary, unusual, yet practical ways of making and saving more of that all-important dough. This is not a get-rich-quick site. This is a blog for those of you who want a better financial life. A blog for those of us who want to use our skills, knowledge, and time as money-making tools so we can get a side hustle going, make some extra money in our free time, save a little more of what we already have, pay off debt, and everything else that makes life a little easier and less stressful. Our free and practical money tips include work-at-home jobs, side hustles, unusual ways of making money online, practical ways of saving money at home, online, in the store, and everywhere else, small business ideas, online survey sites that pay cashback sites, real freebies and samples, great deals and discounts, and how to get more, and so much more. Now, if it can earn and save you money, Money Pantry will find it for you. So the best of Money Pantry. To make it easier for you to get started, we've gathered the best of Money Pantry from 3 of our most popular categories. So read these first and then scroll down to find and read our latest posts. As you can see here, make money, save money, and freebies, and we will obviously focus on making money. And there are quite a few options laid down for us, but we want you to go back at the top and then look up Get Paid to Write 101 sites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post, and we want you to click on that result. And as you can see, you will get paid $50 to $3,000 to write or blog about anything at all, and if you scroll down, you will see all of the websites that do this. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Now we have a list of sites that will pay you to write about vacation or travel. We have ones that pay about general interest, and the more you scroll down, the more options you will actually see, which we personally think is great because it gives everyone a chance to write about what they truly want to write about and earn really good money from it. Now, as an example for today's video, we're just going to choose to write about general interest because it's general and we think it's going to be the easiest thing to write about, something that everyone can actually relate to. So we're going to click on Vibrant Life right here that claims that they pay $100 to $300 per post. Now, Vibrant Life is a bi-monthly magazine with a focus on healthy living, physically, mentally, and spiritually, with a Christian perspective. One very interesting fact about this one is that they do accept already published articles under certain circumstances. You can expect anywhere from $100 to $300 per article. So once you click on this link, you'll be brought over here where you will see all of the guidelines for those who want to apply. It has literally everything that you need to know, so if you want to know every single detail, then make sure that you go on this website specifically and read through this whole page to know everything you need to know. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. This time, Google search comes in. In order to make a great submission, you're going to look up articles on google.com. And let's say you want to write about health, specifically on how to lose weight. So you're going to go on Google and then look up articles on how to lose weight. And so I found this one, which is the first search result. And as you can see, it enumerates what you need to do to lose weight and maintain the weight. And it's a really nice article. And what you're going to do is copy your favorite parts of the article and then just paste it on quillbot.com. And on this website, you'll be able to have whatever you just copied paraphrased and completely rewritten. And this is a must because you are not allowed to plagiarize. So make sure that you go on Quillbot, paste your favorite parts of the article, and make sure that you create a whole article first on the first box. And until you feel like it's good enough, you can then paraphrase it, and boom, just copy the paraphrased version of your already ready article and submit it to Vibrant Life. And to submit to Vibrant Life, you just want to open your email account and then compose an email and make sure to address it to heather.quintana@pacificpress.com. Make sure that you copy that correctly so that it will be sent to the right person. And then all you need to state in that email is your full name, where you're from, how old are you, a little intro on what you're writing, wish them well and that they stay safe, thank them for the opportunity, and then end your email. And once that's complete, you can hit send, wait for the response, which we're 100% sure will be quick, and boom, there you have it, $3,000 straight into your PayPal account with barely any work at all. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.